Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the unable to join network issue on an iPhone and resolve Wi-Fi connectivity problems. This issue can be frustrating, but I will guide you through several steps to fix it. First, let's try a forced restart on your iPhone. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the side power button. Keep holding the power button even when the screen goes black. Continue holding it until you see the Apple logo appear, then release the button. Your iPhone will restart. Once it powers back on, go to the Settings app, navigate to the Wi-Fi section, and try connecting to your network again. If this solves the issue, then you're good to go. If the problem persists, the next step is to reset your network settings. Open the Settings app and scroll down to General. Tap on General and scroll to the bottom of the page. Select the option for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose the Reset option. From the list that appears, select Reset Network Settings. You may need to confirm your decision by entering your passcode. Keep in mind that this will reset all Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to your networks afterward. Once the reset is complete, go back to your Wi-Fi settings and try connecting to the network again. If resetting your network settings does not resolve the issue, test your Wi-Fi router. Try connecting another device to the same network. If the other device also cannot connect, the problem may be with your router. In that case, restarting or troubleshooting the router might help. That's it. That's how you can solve the unable to join network issue on an iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.